What's up, guys? Here we are, another sweaty monkey motorcycle ride. So I got Daryl over here on his new BMW 650, and I got John up there on his Triumph Tiger Rally Pro, and I'm on the Tiger today because that's the only bike I have. And we are going to go to a barbecue joint in South Hill, Virginia, and John has mapped out a bunch of dirt and gravel roads, so it should be an adventure. I got some additional cameras on the bike this time. I got one on the crash bar down to the bottom right, and I got one on the back facing back, so it should be a good time. Daryl has had that motorcycle for about a week, and he's already put 1,000 miles on it, so he's loving the ADV lifestyle already. So once we get to some dirt, I'll turn the camera back on. If I get permission from John, I'll post a clip he posted the other day of him and Daryl up there went on some roads near King and Queen County, and he had a deer jump out of the woods behind his motorcycle that he caught on his rear camera, and he didn't even know it. Daryl was behind him a little ways and thought that that deer had clipped John, but he didn't. That was pretty crazy. It's an interesting clip for sure. You can see the deer's legs are all tucked up under it. If you don't mind, I'll post it here. So this is Blackstone, Virginia. I didn't have the camera turned on in time, but it's a pretty cool little town. This is we're going through here on our way down to South Hill for some barbecue, and I love these little towns. If you look it up on the map, I'm not sure exactly where to tell you it is. I wasn't paying too much attention. John's leading the way. He's got all the waypoints and everything marked on his GPS, and we're just following him. But these little towns are so awesome. Love all these old houses. I know they've been here a long time. They don't make them like that anymore. Especially don't make them pink. So we're out with the, or I'm out with the Brass Monkey motorcycle riders, seasonally known as the Sweaty Monkey Riders. And
Harley boys make fun of you ride Trump.
what's that? They
Harley boys make fun of you riding the Trump.
You know what? They might be what they're doing, but they can't seem to get up close enough to us to let us know that.
They can't get close enough. That's right. Can't keep up with us. I was in Richmond the other day.
All right, I might leave that in. I don't know. I was trying to make a little vlog here, but so we're out here with the, you know, the Brass Monkey motorcycle riders, seasonally known as the Sweaty Monkey motorcycle riders. And I got Daryl over there. That's Daryl. And I got John over here. John is the leader, mentor, superstar. I don't know. He's the one that plans all these rides. He's going to be modest now, so I'm going to walk away from him. So Daryl's got a new motorcycle. And he tried to trick me. He wouldn't tell me what it was, but he said his name was Hobbs. I'm a Calvin and Hobbes fan, so I naturally thought it was a Tiger, but no, it's a Deutz. It used to say, I don't know what it said right there.
Get the side with the BMW.
Okay, I got to get the bougie side over here.
CNC, China.
There we go. BMW. So you got about BM, what year was this?
2006.
2006. And he's had it about a week and he's already got over 1,000 miles on it. So how about that? And I don't know where he got this white Panda reversible. I think it's bald eagle on the other side. I don't know. But anyway, we stopped here at Risin Smoke BBQ in South Hill, Virginia to have a bite to eat. John swore that this was the best barbecue this side of the equator, so we thought we'd give it a try. We haven't come to a final conclusion on that yet, but anyway, we're getting ready to take off. Just wanted to pop in and get those guys on camera. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, so here we go. This is where we kind of started our trail riding back here. And so John wanted me to get in the front because he wanted to get some footage of me, I guess, from going down the road. So I'm in the front. I'm leading the pack right now. I want to stop up here. There's a bridge that goes over the road. It's a railroad track, so I want to stop and get some photos, and I know that Daryl also wants to get some photos, so that's the plan. Hey, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and say appreciate everybody watching. You know, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and say this now because I always forget to end the vlog, so I thought I'd end it now in this little short clip, and I'd have it so when I do forget. Anyway, everybody, appreciate as always you guys watching my misadventures. I had a little misadventure back there, but my camera wasn't on. I don't know if John had his camera rolling or not, but you'll see me getting off the gravel road into the ditch. Luckily I saved it. It came right back out of there, but if he's got that footage, it's going to be awful comical. Anyway, you guys be safe. I'll talk to you on the next one. Thanks guys for watching my video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I mean, I'm having fun with YouTube, and this year, the past year or two actually, has probably been my best and favorite years of being a YouTube content creator. And that's because I've been able to meet in person other YouTube content creators as well as some subscribers. And to me, that is the hands down my favorite part of YouTube, is meeting subscribers out there and making new friends. So, you know, this here most recently I've met Billy up there in Luray at his dairy farm. He introduced me to the girls, the cows, and his wife. I met her. And Billy, Beth, appreciate that. And then I met Craig down in North Carolina. Craig set me a box of chocolates up with an awesome trip, and you saw the video for that. And so all they are is names and people who leave comments on your channel, and all of a sudden now they're friends, and I really appreciate that. So leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to be in the area. We'll hang out. Maybe I'll be in your area one day. We'll meet up, have a cup of coffee or something else, and become friends. and that's what YouTube is all about in my book. So you guys be safe. Thanks again. Really do appreciate you guys watching.